Hi, this is Coach Snyder. I have not made a video in a while. I am actually doing a new program and we're doing the HIT training part of it. So I just want to give you the HIT training part. If you like what you're seeing, I'm going to do a lot of the modification so I don't scare you off. But if you like what you see, this program is amazing and I will put the program in the links below. I'm loving this program so much. I would recommend it to anybody. It's a lot of weightlifting, HIT training, and ab work every day. But anyways, I'm gonna get after it and we'll figure out and see how it goes. And go Blue!
Ready? 3, 2, I'll be here when you come back around. 1, go. Jump. Hey guys, come on, that's what I'm talking about. Nice. Hey guys, keep working. Get your butt down and your chest up. Your butt down, your chest up. So if you need to slow the jump down, you can totally do that. Because remember, we're not about speed right now. We're about form and technique. So
all these programs I have, you can do right from home.
Into your squat, okay?
They're amazing.
You gotta keep pushing on this one. This is supposed to be challenging. Your legs should be.
We're squatting and then we're going up on our.
Your lungs should be burning right now. You gotta keep working. Chest is up, butt is down.
On our tippy toes, so we get a calf workout.
Squat, 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 squat. There we go. You got less than 20. It's supposed to be challenging. Casey gave you the whole thing. Can you finish it? I think you can. I think you can. Keep your chest up. Keep your chest up. Chest up. There we go. Chest up. Squat. Squat. There we go. Less than 5. Come on. 3. Come on. Stay with it. 2. One more. There we go.
All right. You can hear the trainer in the background, but we got 2 more moves.
Whole entire 60 seconds. Nasty.
Woo!
Here we go. Soccer run. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. We're going in 3.
Modifiers.
2, 1. Soccer run. Go, go, go. This is it.
Like you got a soccer ball in the middle and you're kicking it.
Block of work. Week 3. You've been working for 2 weeks now. You should be feeling fitter, faster, stronger. This is how we keep pushing you. It's never going to get easier. You're going to get stronger. You're going to get fitter. You're going to be able to keep doing this.
He's spitting truth up there.
To keep challenging yourself and progressing yourself. You can do this. You're already over halfway done right now. Come on, stick with it. Modification is still working over here. Alex, look, Alex is sweating. Don't tell me this is easy. This is still challenging. Still sweat dripping down his face. Stay with it, guys. Come on. Come on. Stay up. Knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up. 3, 2, and 1.
Woo!
Sorry, I had to do it to you.
One more move.
Keep going.
I am sweating.
To finish 30 seconds, you can
Got a 10-second break.
All
All these programs that I'm doing up on my TV, you can have them. I'll leave the link.
1, go. Jump to
I would love to be your coach.
Nothing after this except for core. Only 30 seconds. You can do anything for 30 seconds.
My daughter's making a mess.
She's going to push through it. She's going to keep her chest up. She's going to keep perfect form. She's going to make it look easy. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Come on. You're over halfway done right now. Casey's been working in the back. Nice
Little bit each day to make big progress.
Up and down. Finish, guys, in 5. You got it in 3. Stay up. 2, 1. Done.
All right, that was a few minutes with Coach Snyder, and I would love for you to work with me. But anyways, I got my next moves to do. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Share this with your friends and family. And most of all, I would love to work with you. If you need help with your health and fitness, I want to be your coach. All right, take care. God bless.